When it comes to YouTube automation, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. True? Rewind. Imagine waking up every day to a YouTube channel that grows on its own, generating views, subscribers, and income while you sleep. Sounds impossible? Think again. In 2025, YouTube automation isn't just a trend, it's the ultimate game changer. In this video, I'm revealing the exact strategies that actually work to build a thriving, automated channel. So let's dive in and make passive income your new reality. Understanding YouTube automation. YouTube automation refers to the use of technology and tools to streamline various processes involved in managing a YouTube channel. Its primary purpose is to enhance content creation by reducing manual tasks, allowing creators to focus on producing high-quality videos. You will agree with me that the bottom line is saving time by a million miles. As we move into 2025, the relevance of YouTube automation has never been greater, given the increasing demands on creators to consistently deliver engaging content. Over the years, automation tools have evolved significantly, transitioning from basic scheduling software to sophisticated AI-driven platforms that can handle everything from video editing to audience analytics. This evolution has had a profound impact on creators, enabling them to optimize their workflows and reach wider audiences without sacrificing quality. The benefits of using automation are clear. It boosts efficiency by minimizing repetitive tasks, enhances growth by allowing creators to publish more frequently, and provides valuable insights into audience behavior. By embracing YouTube automation, creators can not only save time, but also unlock new opportunities for engagement and success in the ever-changing digital landscape. Essential tools for automation. When it comes to YouTube automation, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Two of the most popular automation tools are Tube Magic and VDq. These platforms are designed to help creators optimize their videos and manage their channels more effectively. Tube Magic offers a suite of features that streamline video optimization, including keyword research, thumbnail generation, and bulk processing options. I personally use Tube Magic, and believe me, it works magic. This allows creators to enhance their content and save time on repetitive tasks. Similarly, VDq provides powerful analytics and insights, helping users understand their audience better and track performance metrics. With features like real-time stats and competitor analysis, creators can make informed decisions to improve their strategies. Selecting the right tools for your specific needs is crucial. Not every tool will suit every creator, so it's important to assess your goals and workflow. By choosing the right automation tools, you can enhance your productivity, optimize your content, and ultimately grow your YouTube channel more effectively. Content creation strategies. Creating automated content effectively requires a strategic approach, starting with niche selection and audience targeting. Choosing a specific niche allows you to tailor your content to a defined audience, making it easier to engage viewers and build a loyal following. Understanding your audience's preferences and interests is key to producing content that resonates with them. One effective strategy is to leverage AI-generated scripts and video editing tools. AI can help you generate engaging scripts quickly, saving you time while maintaining quality. Tools like Pictory, one of my favorite, or Lumen 5, can assist in transforming those scripts into visually appealing videos, allowing you to automate the editing process and streamline production. Additionally, maintaining consistent branding and messaging across your content is essential for building recognition and trust. This includes using the same color schemes, logos, and tone of voice in your videos. By ensuring that your branding is cohesive, you create a professional image that attracts and retains viewers. Implementing these strategies will help you create automated content that stands out and drives growth on your YouTube channel. Optimizing video performance. To maximize your video's reach and engagement, optimizing various elements is crucial. One of the key components is search engine optimization, SEO, which plays a significant role in video titles, descriptions, and tags. Crafting compelling titles that include relevant keywords helps your videos appear in search results, making them more discoverable. Similarly, detailed descriptions and well-chosen tags enhance your video's visibility and provide context for viewers and search engines alike. There has always been a talk about when it's right to include a call to actions. I just say follow your guts. I prefer my CTAs at the end of my content. Engaging thumbnails and clear calls to action, CTAs, are also vital for attracting viewers. A visually appealing thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates, while effective CTAs encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for fostering a sense of community around your channel. Finally, analyzing performance metrics is essential for continuous improvement. Tools like YouTube Analytics provide insights into viewer behavior, watch time, and engagement rates. By regularly reviewing these metrics, you can identify what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your content strategy and optimize future videos for even better performance. Implementing these strategies will help you create content that resonates with your audience and drives growth. Monetization and growth. When it comes to YouTube automation, exploring various monetization options is essential for turning your passion into profit. One of the most common strategies is AdSense, where creators earn revenue from ads displayed on their videos. However, relying solely on ad revenue can be limiting, and this is because some YouTubers do not know they can make more money other ways with YouTube. So it's important to consider additional monetization avenues, such as sponsorships. Partnering with brands that align with your content can provide lucrative opportunities and enhance your credibility. I simply say, consider being an affiliate, and more doors to earn opens money up for you. Building a loyal audience is crucial for generating consistent revenue. Engaging with your viewers and creating content that resonates with them fosters a community that is more likely to support your monetization efforts. A dedicated audience is more inclined to engage with ads, purchase products, or participate in memberships. Diversifying your income streams is another effective strategy. Consider offering merchandise related to your brand or channel, which can create an additional revenue source. Additionally, YouTube memberships allow fans to support you directly in exchange for exclusive content or perks. By combining these strategies, you can create a sustainable income model that supports your growth on the platform. Common pitfalls to avoid. While YouTube automation can significantly enhance your content creation process, there are common pitfalls that creators should be aware of. One major mistake is over-reliance on automation tools. While these tools can streamline tasks, relying too heavily on them can lead to a lack of personal touch in your content. It's essential to balance automation with genuine engagement to maintain a connection with your audience. Another critical aspect is the importance of authenticity. Viewers appreciate real interactions and relatable content. If your videos feel overly automated or scripted, you risk losing the trust and interest of your audience. Strive to infuse your personality into your content, even when using automation. I kind of made similar mistakes at the beginning of my YouTube journey, but it is wise to know these things early on. To ensure your automation strategies remain effective, regularly review and adjust them based on performance metrics and audience feedback. This proactive approach allows you to identify what works and what doesn't, enabling you to refine your methods continually. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can harness the power of YouTube automation while still fostering a genuine connection with your viewers. Conclusion: in this video, we explored the transformative world of YouTube automation and its relevance in 2025. We discussed essential tools like Tube Magic and VDq that can streamline your content creation process, as well as effective strategies for creating automated content that resonates with your audience. We emphasize the importance of optimizing video performance through SEO, engaging thumbnails, and analyzing metrics for continuous improvement. Key takeaways include the need to balance automation with authenticity and the significance of building a loyal audience for sustainable revenue. Remember, diversifying your income streams through sponsorships, merchandise, and memberships can enhance your monetization efforts. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to take action by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insights on YouTube automation and content creation. Don't forget to explore our related content for deeper dives into specific topics that can further enhance your YouTube journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.